Alright guys, we're going to wire up a light fixture. This is our light fixture here. Pretty big thing. So here's where it's going. And this is the wire that is the one we need. That's good. Let's make sure the power's off. Good. These are going over to those other fixtures. It looks like they're all sealed up there, so we're just going to push those off. There's two fixtures, one here, one there. Looks like they got them all sealed over. So, just gonna prep this. Get most of this paper out of here. Then just strip these wires off a little bit here. There's that. Just snap that in there. I need a couple more screws, so I think we'll just put another one in there. Okay. I like to keep that all on one side. And our ground. We'll scoot on here. Okay, all right, back to this setup. Now we got all these pieces ready for it. Everything loosened. We're gonna stick the wire through this hole. And I think we're gonna tape the ground on. Easier. That's good. Get that as flat as possible. Cut that little piece off. That all should go through, no problem. Here we are. I didn't just put that in the wrong spot, did I? Lovely. I think I did. Second time's a charm. Yep, that's true. We do it twice because we do it nice. First time was just practice. Now we can do it right. Come on through. Come on down. Okay, almost got it. Boy. Okay. I think we'll do the opposite side next. Make sure this thing doesn't flop down, break the lamps. Probably should just take those off. I do this, but it'd be a heck of a lot easier, wouldn't it? Maybe I'll take those all off of there. I'm just dropping this down on Bacon Sun. Should have took them off already. Where can we put them? Since they come right off. It's not hard to take them off. Let's see what kind of bulb it is. Let's see. Color 200 lumens. Oh, 2.5 watts. That's pretty cool. Alright, oh, now if I get the attachment points, that might be handy. Let's see here. Oh, right there. Okay. Ready, YouTube? Here we go. Wish me luck. Oh, guess what? Yeah, that's cool. I can rest on the ladder. That might work out pretty good. Because we gotta attach this wire here. That way I can help steady it while I get the wire nuts out and stuff. So I guess we use a couple of yellow wire nuts. That'll work. Come on. Alright. Steady. Steady as she goes. Come on. We can do this. I like the yellow wire enough to cover more, but this is gonna work for this one. Hang on. Let's just break out the launchers. I'm always prepared. Everything up here ready to go. They give you 3, that way when you drop one, you got a spare. I guess I gotta use one for the ground though. Alrighty. Here we go. There's one. I got it. Don't fall. Mr. Light. Got this one a little too long because he's so short. Almost dropped it. Okay, here we are. Maybe. Yeah, just want to stay on. Try to get a little more encouragement there. Little tug, good. Get that off. Let's see if we can get that on there. Pull this up high. Alright, guys. Got it up there. I don't know. This whole fixture is held up by these 2 little nuts there. I got the ceiling all messed up. Sorry about that. Just impossible to get this thing on there. See if we can tighten this up more. And try to square this thing out. I think some of these things are caught. A little more that way. Let's see if we can tighten this up more. This one a little more. Alright, well, let's put it back together. Bulbs are so slippery too, very easily. That one slip out your hand. Hope we're not supposed to wipe our hand, grease off these things. I don't have any rubbing or cold here. And if anyone has any liquor, that might work too. Smoothness, I almost would think they don't want to have any handprints on them. I guess two little screws are right quite a lot of tensile strength, so I guess it'll be alright. That's kind of alright, so I got all that stuff. That's alright. Let's try to turn some of these the other way. See the marks. Let's see how it looks. How does it look, guys? And there's full brilliancy. Down, down, down. What I might do, we're going to take that one bulb out on the back side, so I don't see that light not working. This one's going to go over there. I'll go back on there. That light's not right in the front here. Let's have to get one more bulb if they want it. That fixture should work. Socket, I mean. There we are. That's pretty cool. Looks cool. Alright, kind of matches to the front parlor one here. Let's walk in the front room. Or the front entrance. That one do need some more bulbs, it's kind of dull. But there we are. Light fixture up. A little different kind of light fixture, but there we are. Cool, right?